All right, we're taking a break today from the lake house because you guys got to do something other than just work all the time. So instead, we're doing a barbecue for the Hot Rods and Home Improvement Show, which all the money goes towards the teachers' funds. So they got stuff for the classroom. But, you know, hey, it's just one day. We'll get it done.
Hey, I'm Kurt Chase, and we are out today at Floor & Decor in Plano, and I'm one of the judges here for the second annual Adopt a Teacher Car Show. If you want that $1,000 first prize, bring it. We're looking for originality, original parts, documented parts that you put on the automobile, all of the qualifications that you got from the factory that are original on this automobile to win $1,000.
All right, we're here with another show I helped produce, The Automotive Edge with Kurt Chase, for our second annual Hot Rods and Home Improvement. It's to raise money for the Adopt a Teacher Foundation. We've got hot rods on one side of the parking lot. On the other side, we have home improvement clients of ours that are on our show. We even have a hail cannon.
Get everybody's attention real quick. We're going to get started. If you are here with a car, we need you buy your car in the next 5 minutes, and you're going to have a minute to present your car to us.
This year we're going to do something completely different. We're going to give away a $1,000 cash prize to the best in show winner of the car show this year. And what we're going to do is we're going to have every contestant give us a 60-second commercial about what makes their car so unique.
Bought it out of Florida, but I learned that the car was originally a New Jersey car, and the original owner owned funeral homes in New Jersey. So this could be a legitimate mob car. I don't know for sure, but it could be.
Let's get dressed up and go cruise it and find out.
It's original 365 engine. My husband keeps telling me to put an LS motor in it and put bags on it, and I don't want to touch it because the interior, the AM radio and the Wonder Bar still work.
So this is pretty much, other than maybe a paint job, an original car.
Absolutely, yes.
Interior, everything.
Everything. Yeah.
7 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, and in 1967 this quality style there were 7,000 of them made on the convertible edition, so it's very rare. And to have one that's nearly 100% original components is even more rare. So what you see under the hood and on the car was this car when it was manufactured. So what we did is we just brightened it up. The hardware for the mounting brackets and the engines and the plates and the alternator, they are the cars. We just chrome plated them out to give them that modern muscle car look.
Okay, this is a 55 Olds Super 88 convertible. It was one of only about 4,500 that were made between 54, 5, and 6. It has a 324 Rocket V8, which produces 203 horsepower. That engine in that car was just rebuilt and balanced in blueprint back in January. Everything about the car is original, every nut bolt on it. The bottom is as clean as the top, and the interior is correct. So, you know, as a judge, we all had the perfect car picked out when we first looked at the show, but now listening to the stories behind the cars, it really made our job that much more difficult.
Also, I'd like to give a big shout out to the gentleman sitting in here, Jim Dutton, for supplying the food, and all of his crew here. All the great folks here at Floor & Decor, give them a big hand for allowing us to take over their parking lot. Okay, let's get going here. Third place, the 1956 Caddy, number 21. Second place, brought me way back because the cigarettes on the seat was one my papa and grandfather smoked. The 1955 Olds number 43. And the top car,
So we had so many amazing cars out here at the car show today. Beautiful day for the car show. And it was a hard decision, but there was only one that we could all agree on, which was best in show.
the winner of the $1,000 and first prize trophy, the 67 Cutlass number 4.
It's been a great Saturday morning and early afternoon out here with the Texas Home Improvement Group, and it is just, it's unspeakable the feeling it is to win first prize at any car show. When you can come out with a group of nearly 100 cars and dozens of people walk by and look at it, and you walk away with one of the best cars on the lot, that says to me, well, that's the car that the guy wants when he wakes up in the morning in his garage. And there's no better feeling than that. I mean, it's kind of like having a trophy wife on your arm, or the best car in your garage. When you have that feeling, there's nothing better than it. It's great, and I appreciate all of you for all you've done today.
All right, it was a great event. How can it not be? We got hot rods, home improvement, and barbecue. You can't beat that combination. And we raised over $24,000 for the teachers in the DFW area. But it's time we get our butts back to work. We got a house to finish.